Stupid kid. Don't worry, Susie. I'm going to untie you. I must have eaten too much honey again. I'll find a way. Don't move. I'll come back.
Soon it would be dawn, but Susie didn't want to say goodbye to this world without leaving something behind.
Wow! Now what's happening? Out of my way! Ouch! Oh! Oh, that's really quite lovely. It would be such a shame to waste so much talent.
Susie, I brought everything to free you. Oops. I see you have visitors, Susie. I was just passing by, and I really don't want to cause any bother.
Let her be. Ignore that silly idiot. Susie, I'm canceling your punishment, and I'm naming you official seamstress to the palace. You can start with my wardrobe. I have nothing to wear.
So next time you see a spider spinning its web, remember it's not trying to annoy you, it's trying to make you love it.
12 bölümün sonu. Film Қазақстан ұлттық телеарнасы тасысы ойынша алала тастады. 2015 жыл.
Annabelle and Fiona fly and Lily Ladybug, Camilla, Boris, and of course